In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Cursor AI usage statistics. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred web browser and search for Cursor AI. When the results appear, take a moment to verify you're heading to the official site. Look for the familiar domain, avoid sponsored links that look unrelated, and make sure the connection is secure. This keeps your account safe and ensures you land in the right place. Click the correct link to open the Cursor AI website. From here, proceed to sign in using the method you normally use for your account. Enter your credentials carefully and, if prompted, complete any two-factor verification. If you're already signed in, you should be taken straight to your dashboard or home area. Once you're in, look for a section labeled Usage or Subscription. Depending on your interface, this might appear in the main sidebar, under your profile or account menu, or within Billing or Settings. Open that section to access your usage details. If you don't see it right away, try expanding menus or checking a billing page. The wording may vary slightly, but the content is the same. Inside the usage or subscription area, you'll see a real-time breakdown of your activity. This includes your cumulative spend on a daily basis, organized by model and usage type, with both spend and token counts. Daily cumulative spend shows how your costs add up each day, which helps you spot trends or unusual spikes. If your dashboard allows it, you can sometimes hover over a date to see exact numbers or adjust the visible range. If filters are available, use them to focus on the period you care about most. You'll also see a breakdown by model. This indicates which underlying models your requests used and how much each one contributed to your total. Heavier or more capable models may cost more, so this view helps you understand where your budget is going. The usage type category groups activity by how it was used within the platform. The exact categories depend on the interface, but it's a helpful way to see which kinds of work are driving your consumption. Finally, pay attention to tokens. Tokens are small units of text processed by the AI. Longer prompts and longer responses use more tokens, and more tokens typically correlate with higher spend. If your token count is climbing quickly, try tightening your prompts, reusing context efficiently, or shortening outputs where appropriate. That's it. By opening your browser, heading to the official Cursor AI site, logging in, and checking the Usage or Subscription tab, you can clearly track your daily spend, see which models and usage types are responsible, and monitor tokens in real time. Refresh the page if numbers seem delayed, and check back regularly to stay on top of your usage.